Friends, welcome to our video 2 on decimals, and today we're talking about changing fractions to decimals. I hope you enjoyed our video on decimal multiplication division relationships. Okay, this is not a very difficult topic I'm talking about today, but this is really important. Okay, people. Right, 2/5. How do you change this into decimal? Right, the idea is we want to make the denominator either as a multiple of 10 or its multiple, or not multiple, I mean the power, 10, 100 or 1000. So this is easy. I times this by 2, times this by 2 makes it 10, 4, so this is 4 tenths, which is 0.4. Okay, 3 tenths, that's even more easier. It's already a 10 at the bottom, so this is 0.33 tenths. We should know anything divided by 10 is, you should have one decimal place towards the end of the number. Okay, then the next one is 7/20. I mean, if I try to make this into 10, what I'm going to get is, obviously let me just do it both the ways actually. If I want to make 10 at the bottom, what do? I divide 20 by 2 to get 10, so this is 3.5. Or what I can do is I make 100 at the bottom, 20 times 5, that gives you 35, because 7 times 5 is 35. Now, which we learned in the last video, as you divide something by 10, what happens? The decimal shifts 2 spaces, 1 space to the left. This gives you 0.35. And as you divide something by 100, decimal shifts 2 spaces to the left. And where is the decimal in 35? You can't see it. That means it's at the end. It's on the right side. It's hidden there. 1, 2, so 0.35. Brilliant. Okay. Even more, 17/50. You can change this into 100 and so on and so forth. You can do all the fractions which can be changed, the denominators can be changed into either a 10 or a 100 or 1000 and so on. You can change them into decimals. Right, for 11 plus purposes, people, I would like you to learn this very important fraction, 1/8. I'll show you the long division, I mean the short division. Okay, right guys, does it go into 1? The answer is no. 0 times. Put a decimal here as well, and then this is remainder 1, makes it 10. Does it go into 10? Yes. Once, remainder 2, another 0, because once you put the decimal in the quotient, you can write 1 0 at a time, as many times as you need it. So this is 8 times 8 goes into 20 twice, remainder 4, 8 goes into 40 5 times. So guys, 1/8 is equal to 0.125. For 11 plus purposes, I would advise you to memorize this. Once you do that, it becomes easier. 3/8 is 3 times this, is multiply this with 3. 5/8 is multiply this by 5. So this is 0.625, I think. Then 7/8 is multiply this by 7, so this will be 0.875. Or there's another pattern, guys. 1/8 is 0.125. 2/8 is 1/4, which is 0.250. That means if you go in order, 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, and 8/8, which I've missed the obvious ones. Okay, and the pattern is they go up each time by 0.125. This is 0.25 there, add 0.125, you get this. Then 0.5, add 0.125, you get this. Then 0.75. Or I would prefer you learn this short, long division, whatever you call it. And that's it. And sometimes you get mixed fraction, improper fractions that can be changed into decimal in the same way, which is if 4 goes into 17 4 times and remainder is 1, but that comes after the decimals. 4 goes into 10 twice and remainder is 2, and 4 goes into 25 times. The answer is 4.25. Okay, that finishes this video. Okay, if you want more questions on this, please subscribe to our channel, and we send you, and get in touch with us. We send you more videos. Okay, happy learning. Bye bye. See you again soon.